Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. By the time we get to the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how you can start making money, even if you have no money to start right now, by using GrooveFunnels free account. Link in the description to jump over and get your GrooveFunnels free account. And when you do, you'll log in. You're going to see this right here. Welcome to GrooveFunnels. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take some time, get inside here, understand exactly what GrooveFunnels is and how it's working, specifically GroovePages, learn the interface, figure out how to build a basic page. There's videos here in the description. You can watch those that explain that. There's a Facebook group. You can join that. I'll be over there in the Facebook group. You'll get some details and some training there. You can just follow along, and you can start understanding exactly how this tool can start making you money. And one way you can do that really quickly is by using the affiliate program that comes with GrooveFunnels. Now let me clarify what I'm talking about by using the affiliate program. What I mean is making sure that you're providing value to people, again, by learning this tool and understanding this tool and helping other people that are interested in making money online just like you are, utilize this free tool to accomplish that goal. So with that, let's jump in and show you exactly where to get your GrooveFunnel affiliate links so you can start sharing those with people that are interested in GrooveFunnels just like you because they want to make money online and they might not have any money to get started. So once you get into GrooveFunnels, you're going to go over here. And again, like I said, get started by learning and understanding what GroovePages are, how it builds web pages, and the power that it has currently and what it's going to be in the future. Then come to Groove Affiliate right here. Click on where it says Groove Affiliate, and here's where you're going to find the power of GrooveSell and Groove Affiliate. And again, you're getting access to this 100% for free. At the link in the description, you can get started promoting this tool to other folks that are interested just like you are making money online. So once you get inside your affiliate dashboard, what you're going to do is you're going to come down to where it says Promos. You're going to click there. It's going to bring up the GrooveFunnels affiliate link. There'll be a little link symbol right here. You're going to click on that link symbol. It's going to launch right here where it says affiliate link. What you're interested in are the promo tools, because this is going to give you a complete set of tools that you can utilize to start making money online by promoting GrooveFunnels. Then what you'll do is you'll go down here and you'll see GrooveFunnels promo. You'll have links. You click on that, it's going to give you links. Now this is the link that you will share to everyone so they can get their own GrooveFunnels account. It won't cost them anything, just like it didn't cost you anything, and all you have to do is mention that you're giving this away for free. Then you go back to the promo tools. They have swipes, blog reviews, articles. Right here, you can go under social media. You can see right here that you can share this on Facebook. Of course, take this and make it so that when you're posting it to your audience, your crowd, your people on Facebook, people that follow you. Don't go inside of other groups. Don't spam this link. Post this where your posts are welcome, or if somebody asks you for this information. Your Facebook wall is a perfect place to post this. If you have a Facebook group that has something to do with building web pages or funnels, this is the perfect place to post this if you have permission to do it. Again, Twitter, they've written you a nice little Twitter tweet right here. You just go in, you edit that, make it sound like it's from you. Use that link. LinkedIn, same thing right here. Go to LinkedIn. Again, not spamming this link, but providing real value in a post and letting people know about this valuable free tool. Again, you'll go back, you'll go to the promos, and again, you have Facebook ads, you have video reviews, you have banners, you have thank you page ads. Here's one you can put in your email signature. So when you're replying or sending emails specifically about making money online or being in the business, for example, if you're a service provider and you're providing people work or product online already, you can simply add this to your email, and then they'll read this in your email signature and be like, oh, #1 recommended tool right here. Create websites, build funnels, and make more sales. Get your free lifetime account at this link. It's in your email signature. Now, when you do this, also take note, mark is completed right here. Check that, toggle that switch. Now when you go back, you know you've been there, you've got your email signature, you put it in your email, so when you're sending it out, other people are going to see it. And again, click on your link. And this is the way you're going to get started as an affiliate for GrooveFunnels. And of course, it all starts with signing up for your free account, link in the description, and then coming in, going to the promotion dashboard, understanding that GrooveFunnels has provided all this information with your links and swipes and blog reviews and banners and Facebook ads and social media posts all ready here for you to get started. Again, log in, get your free account, start playing with GroovePages, see what it can do for you and your business, how it can help the people that follow you, and then get out there and start sharing your link. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer here on the end screen, click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.